I depend on my coworkers to pull as many carts as they can in a day. I depend on them to work their 8 hours, and they depend on me for the same thing. I'm like, it's a job that needs to be done, and so you just do it.
Girlfriends pushes you just a tiny bit, which I think is fantastic. That's how you grow. And so you kind of need to have a little bit of a push if you want to continue to rise up in the position that you're at, as well as the person you are.
You know, whenever you walk in and you know that you're getting along with your teammates, that you all have the same goal in mind.
There's always just a really comforting feeling, like knowing that someone always has your back.
And I can go to other people that can figure it out.
You do feel more confident. Everybody's on the same page. Everybody's trying to accomplish the same thing every day.
They give you what you need to succeed. They make sure that you have the knowledge to do what you need to do. They make sure that you have the support that you need.
We talk to everybody. We enjoy each other's company. They're just a pleasure to be around. Most days we have quite a bit of fun here working.
Camaraderie and teamwork and solving problems together. I like that.